guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng BB Bottle Cleanser. Galing sa Unilab guys. So, let's unbox guys. Safe talaga pagka-packing guys, may bubble wrap siya. Buy one, take one. Yun o. Safe talaga siya guys. O, tingnan niyo, naka-type talaga siya dito. Ayan. $500 ml. Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye.